Hi everyone, I really hope that you all are doing fine. Today we all are very shocked after the news which we have got about Sushant Singh. Abhi half an hour ago I was just shooting something else and all of a sudden when I saw this ping from a news app I was totally shocked because I know Sushant Singh as some person who is very successful and I know that he has got a lot of things coming up in his pipeline. Few days back we also heard about his manager just jumping from a building, and this just made me realize that one important eye-opening thing which happened after this incident is that it made me realize that it's very easy to make everyone feel that you're successful. That is just the outside aura, but inside what is happening nobody knows. Nobody would understand what demons a person is going to face inside them, and it's the most difficult thing, it's the most challenging thing of all, when you can't understand what is actually going inside you and you're not able to express it. Usually successful लोग के साथ क्या होता है, they are able to just resonate the success side to everyone, and you can't imagine how much pressure they have on their head. Like, I'm just a common person, I'm not even a huge successful celebrity, neither I intend to be, but when you reach a certain level, मतलब इस level पर भी, if I have to tell you a story, like I've been working on something since the past few weeks. I launched my workshop alongside my job, and I also got an opportunity to represent India for an event last week, and then it just became something that I started getting opportunities after opportunity, and I was very happy. Everyone around me, my friends, family, everyone who knew me just said that, oh Taleha, you are so lucky, you got successful, अब तो तुम्हारी life set है, ये है, वो है. But nobody actually understood the stress. And on the contrary, जब आप किसी से डिस्कस भी करते हो तो या तो उनके पास एक आंसर होता है, क्या ज़रूरत थी करने की when you already have a job, या क्या ज़रूरत था कुछ ऐसा करने का. It's always like, which is also told in his movie, that आपके पास हमेशा सक्सेस का एक प्लान होता है, बट आपके पास कभी भी फेल होने का कोई प्लान नहीं होता कि जब हम फेल हो जाएंगे तो क्या हमारा प्लान बी होगा. एंड दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग whenever you are going to start something, क्योंकि during this lockdown phase a lot of us have utilized our time and we are starting something. So it's very important, it's essential for us to actually also have a plan B. And guys, it's pretty okay to fail. Even if you start something today, you never know what is going to happen tomorrow. It's okay to fail, there is no problem in that. बट ये जो एक स्ट्रेस आ जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल द सोसाइटल प्रेशर, बिकॉज ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट आई कांट इवन टेल यू. सो इफ आई हैव टू गिव माई एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस एंड दैट वाज नॉट अ नेगेटिव थिंग. ऑब्वियसली जब आपके ऊपर काम का प्रेशर होता है, आपके ऊपर काफ़ी स्ट्रेस होता है, दैट ऑल ऑफ माई 24 आवर्स वर एब्सोल्युटली बुक्ड. अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट भी हैं, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो यू विल बी हैविंग पढ़ाई का स्ट्रेस. हर एक को अपनी लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम दूसरे लाइफ की प्रॉब्लम से, दूसरे लोगों की प्रॉब्लम से ज़्यादा ही लगती है. But that does not mean that you cannot talk. And if somebody comes to you, I am again saying this because I've seen this, people just start bashing. मैंने तुम्हें कहा था ये करो, मैंने तुम्हें कहा था वो करो. Guys, it's okay, everyone does mistake. But अगर आज आपके सामने कोई आया है अपनी प्रॉब्लम लेके, please try to solve it. The other thing is, I know many people are just trying to speculate and say कि कुछ suspicious है. Even I thought that. कुछ लोगों ने सोचा कि it was out of depression. Even I thought that. But we don't know what was the reason. However, इस सब से एक conclusion जो निकल के आया है वो ये है that you definitely have to understand कि कुछ ना कुछ stress तो सबकी लाइफ में होता ही है. और अगर कोई सक्सेसफुल है इसका मतलब उसकी लाइफ में स्ट्रेस नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. कोई अनसक्सेसफुल है तो ही उसकी लाइफ में स्ट्रेस है, ऐसा नहीं है. एंड आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग लाइक, जब आप एक सर्टन ऑरा एस्टैब्लिश कर लेते हो, व्हेन यू बिकम अ सेलिब्रिटी, एट दैट टाइम इट हैपन्स दैट you cannot be vocal about your problems with everyone in the public. That is something which you can't do. And there are some people who are introvert also. So अंदर ही अंदर वो एक प्रॉब्लम लेके रहते हैं and they are not able to express it, which becomes very terrible. And during this COVID situation, it happened that people are just, not able to get in touch, not able to meet, not able to go out of the home, which is again something very depressing. If you have work, though, that is going to bring a lot of sanity in your mind. But if you do not have any work, आप बस depressed एक जगह पड़े हो, आपको कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा, it's very tough. I just can't imagine how tough it is for such kind of people. So I want to request you through this video. I don't want to keep it long. I just want to request one thing, and that is, if you have any kind of problem, please don't be depressed. Discuss it with whoever is your near and dear ones. Second, if somebody is coming to you with a problem, don't just bash him and say मैंने कहा था और तुमने नहीं किया, मेरे लिए वर्क किया तुम्हारे लिए नहीं किया. Guys, please be sensitive to someone who has a problem or is coming to you with some problem. All right. And the most important thing is, if you feel you are depressed और आप किसी को नहीं बताना चाहते, there are a lot of helpline numbers these days. Just try to go ahead and talk to someone. These people also keep the information confidential, but please remember one thing: this life is very precious. This life is above all. आप आज successful हो नहीं हो, if you're gone, you can't just undo that. That can't be undone. So please just try to be more sensitive towards yourself also. And passion chase करने के चक्कर में होता क्या है, we try to do whatever we can. If I have to give my example, during this lockdown I really worked hard because I really loved it. But whatever I did after that, जो उसका product था, like my workshop, if I have to give example, or representing for podcasting, all of these things, all of these events, they were successful. Obviously they gave me a lot of visibility, a credibility and all of that. But अपने ही मैं एक छोटे से example से आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस आ जाता है that you can't ever imagine. And people are not always helpful to you. They will always say क्या ज़रूरत थी करने की, या they will always say कि ठीक है stressful है तो छोड़ दो. But please, that is not the solution. That is not why I am here to talk to you. So from this example I want to tell you कि आप कुछ भी करें, जैसे आपको लगता है आपको help की ज़रूरत है, please try to talk. And if you have your parents are the best friends, उनसे ज़रूर बात करें, नहीं तो सिबलिंग से, नहीं तो जो भी आपका क्लोज फ्रेंड है, नहीं तो किसी भी हेल्पलाइन नंबर पे प्लीज़ डू टॉक. बट प्लीज़ आई हाईली रिक्वेस्ट यू, like with folded hands, never ever try to take any extreme step, because that is not going to be undone ever. You can't come back. And I don't think कि इस दुनिया में आपकी लाइफ से बढ़कर कुछ भी है. So please just try to always give yourself a priority, your life a priority, and do not, please do not take any extreme step ever. I really feel very sad for Sushant Singh, his family and his friends. May his soul rest in peace. In 2020 we've already lost so many talented people, especially in Bollywood. I don't know कि क्या और बचा है 2020 में देखना. But I just hope and pray. I just pray that everything becomes fine. And on that note, I would like to urge you all to, I wish you to all to stay calm, stay at home, and please don't ever stop living this life. Because you never know what is being hidden behind that smile. Take care.